my name is Soundarya. We belong to Apache batch, and my teammates are. We are going to present flawless.com. We are cloning seamless.com in the live website. So our team members are Sai Nihal, who works on backend and integration part. So Ritesh Ranjan also worked on front end and integration. Myself also work on front end and integration. Mostly we three mingles on front end and integration. Sai Nihal also helped us for front end. So our problem statements is to work on the food delivery system. So we take seamless.com to showcase our problem statements. So our workflow and screenshots. So this is the landing page where our website landed here. So from here, according to the search bar, it goes to the next page directly, or otherwise it takes to the login page also. So if we log in, it moves to the login page, and if we entered in, it moves to our sign in landing page. So after signing the landing page, we can search for the address and find out the address, and we work on that. So from here, I can move to the restaurant listing page. In that restaurant listing page, I have given filters. We have given filters on cuisines and star ratings. So from there, we can able to move to the next. So when I click on a restaurant, any restaurants, it moves to the menu items. So after menu items, we can enter the content into the bag. So it will be added into the cart. So the technologies we have used is MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js. We have added UI libraries also. So Material UI and Bootstrap we have added. This is the workflow of our project. From landing stage, it moves to the login page, or if we are not registered, it moves to the register page. So or it directly enters into the search page. And next one is for selecting the restaurant. After selecting the restaurant, we add the items into the cart. After items added, we proceed and check out, and payments will be go on. If we want to come out from that page, we can sign out and come from there. So this is the flow of our project. Very big challenges faced in our team was the first we have get postmates.com. So from there we can't able to figure out from the foreign websites, unable to figure out something. So we taken seamless.com with mail ID and password. That itself a very big conflict. We take 1 or 2 days to compute that. So team management and planning and the workflow, these are all the very big challenge for us. If anyone is completing a task, if anything we want to change on that, it will be better. Means the coding styles are very big different. So understanding the coding styles is taking very big challenges for us. So different ideas come out on them. So what and all we can do on Redux, or directly do all the conflicts occurs in our team. So thank you so much. Over to you, Shinigal.
Hi, good evening, everyone. Let me present my screen. This is our website, Flawless. When we sign in, this is a sign-in page. This is our main landing page. We have just given restaurants near Chennai. There is some. Here we have added some functionalities like pagination and sorting by names and filtering by cuisines also. We have made some sortings and filtered by rating. If you select 2, it will restaurants 2 and above rating will come. If you select 4 above restaurants will come. And if we select five restaurants above, rating 5 and above will come. If we select any of the restaurants, okay, any of the restaurants, okay, and one more, I can see my past orders also. These are my past orders. We can do our past orders like this. And okay, there is one more thing we have completed. We can update our name on some editions. It gets updated. Some other things we did. When I click on any of the restaurants, if I add it to cart, it gets added. And one more thing, we have done integrated map here, and we have integrated reviews. And when I click on proceed, we can delete here if you want to delete. When you proceed to click on deleting, you can give some address here, temp address, and this gets populated from our account. And when we want to do a payment, it gets just updated. Yeah. Basically, this is our flow. And when we sign out, it gets signed out. Basically, this is our flow.